Hi guys, Miss Young here. Today I'm going to be doing 4 videos to go through my process that I do in my classroom for multiplication and division. Each multiplication and division will get 2 different strategies to use. Hope this helps. Have a great day. See you later. Hi everyone, I'm back. I'm going to work on my second strategy with multiplication. This time I'm using the same numbers. We're just going to use a different strategy. At the end of this, I'm going to teach one more strategy, just briefly. It's the same thing, just structured a little bit different. So this one, I'm going to call number bonds. And essentially a number bond is groups of numbers that would be broken apart to make one whole number. So if I have the number 6, a number bond for 6 would be 3 and 3. I'm breaking 6 down into more manageable chunks. Or if I had the number 10, I could break it down by 7 and 3. There are all kinds of different ways to break down these numbers. These are just 2 I chose. So I got a paper towel this time to use. So I'm going to break these down again, like I did in my area model video, into powers of 10. Powers of 10 allow us to multiply easily. I could break this down into 100 plus 100 plus 15 plus 15, and all of this, and I'd have to add a couple more, but I would be able to multiply this, but it becomes really difficult to keep track of. So if I just break them into simple powers of 10, I can easily multiply. So what I'm going to do, this has 3 numbers. I'm going to break it down into 3 different number bonds. So this 2 is in my 100th place, so I know its value is 200. This 3 is in my tens place, so its value is 30. And the 5 is in the ones, its value is 5. 12 breaks down into 10 and 2. This is the same as area model. Area model, I put it in expanded form. This one I'm using the expanded form as the number bonds. This model works the same way. We're using the place values to solve it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this 10 by every number in the opposite factors. Same way with the 2. There's really no setting up. I just write out my multiplication sentences so I can see them. So I have 10 times 200, 10 times 30, and 10 times 5. Oops. Then I do the 2. 2 times 200, 2 times 30, and 2 times 5. With area model, the last step was to add, and the same one is this way. To do that, I'm just going to make my addition columns when I find my product. So 2 times 10, 1 times 2 is 2 with 3 zeros. That gives me 2,000. 3 times 1 is 3 with 2 zeros. That gives me 300. 1 times 5 is 5 with 1 0 is 50. 2 times 2 is 4 with 2 zeros. That's 400. 2 times 3 is 6 with 1 0. And 2 times 5 is 10. That's 2 times 5 is 10. I can add them up. 0 plus zeros. 5 plus 6 is 11. Plus 1 is 12. Carry my 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Plus 4 is 8. And 2 plus nothing is 2. So just like we did in area, our answer is 2,800. This one, when it's a bigger number like this, number bond can have a few more errors because there's no really clear structure on how to work it out. Area model is the nicest because you have the box and each box needs to be filled in. The last strategy that I just want to touch on in this video is partial product. It works the same as all the others. We're breaking it down by place values to multiply. The only thing is it looks a little bit like the traditional model that used to be taught to do multiplication. So I would set it up vertically, so 235 times 12, and then I would multiply it. 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 3 is 6 with 1 0, so 60, 2 times 2 is 4 with 2 zeros, and then I would go with my 1. 1 times 5 is 5, but with 1 0, so 10. 10 times 30 is 300, and I'm out of space for this one, but I would keep going, and then I would add. So that is partial product. All of these multiplication strategies work on the idea of breaking the numbers down by place values to multiply. Hope these videos helped you. Please leave me comments if you have any questions. Have a great day. Bye-bye.